Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we will connect forgot screen UI to the forgot fragment logic. So I need to modify some changes in this fragment. So what we are doing in this fragment, we need to implement the forgot password feature using Firebase authentication. So we are not using view model here. What we will do, we need to define a variable for auth, Firebase auth. And this view model in repository we have not needed. And here I will initialize Firebase auth. So this will allow user to reset their password by receiving a reset link on their registered email. Alright, here we have used a function called close keyboard. I will show you when we validate the email scenario. Okay, but right now we need to check whether we are providing the email address or not. If it is empty, it will show the email is required snack bar message. If it is a valid email, it will send our password reset email to the provided email ID. With user can see in UI this snack bar message that we have sent an email to your email. Please check your email. Okay, and if it is not a valid email, user can see this message in the snack bar. Okay, so I have used a close keyboard. So whenever user hit the reset button, a keyboard will automatically will be closed. Okay, so this method will help to close the keyboard when user open the keyboard and providing the email and just click on the reset button. All right, and this is for the same logic like we explained in the previous videos. Okay, so here you can see show loading is true whenever user hit the reset button, right? So this function will help to show the progress bar. Okay, and this snack bar will help us to show these messages inside the snack bar window. Okay, now here we are getting two errors. So for resolving these errors, we need to just press Alt plus Enter. Okay, so now our error is gone. See, now our error is gone. Nothing is there. Now need to run the logic. Now I will show you the actual flow, how it behaves in end to end. Let's see. Now we need to navigate to the login, and now we need to click on forgot password. Okay, so our flow is broken. Why? Because our navigation is not working from which screen? From login screen. So let me navigate to the login fragment. Okay, so here we need to fix this logic. It should be login to forgot. Yeah, this is right now. Now we need to check. Okay, cool. Here I will provide any email ID like testing@gmail.com. Okay, if now see, I didn't close the keyboard. Okay, and if I click on reset password, this keyboard will automatically will close and we can see the snack bar message. See, congratulations, we have sent a password reset email to your inbox. Please check your email, right? With OK button. So that's it for today. Thank you.